Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you. We'll be diving deep into the Moto G Play, the latest budget-friendly smartphone from Motorola. So, let us jump right into it. Starting off with the design and build quality, the Moto G Play sports a sleek and modern look. It features a sturdy plastic body with a matte finish, which not only feels good in hand but also helps with grip. The device has a compact form factor, making it comfortable to hold and use with one hand. Overall, it's a well-designed phone that punches above its price point. Moving on to the display, the Moto G Play boasts a 6.5-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels. While it's not the highest resolution out there, it still offers a decent viewing experience. The colors are vibrant, and the brightness levels are adequate for most lighting conditions. Plus, the large screen size makes it perfect for media consumption and gaming. Now, let us talk about performance. The Moto G Play is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 processor, coupled with 3 GB of RAM. While it may not be the most powerful chipset on the market, it handles day-to-day tasks with ease. Uploading times are decent, and multitasking is smooth for the most part. However, it's worth noting that heavy gaming or resource-intensive applications might not perform as well. For casual users, this phone offers a good balance between performance and affordability. When it comes to software, the Moto G Play runs on a near-stock version of Android. This means you get a clean and bloatware-free user experience, which is always a plus. Motorola has also been quite consistent with providing software updates, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest Android features and security patches. Now, let us explore the camera capabilities of the Moto G Play. On the rear, it houses a 13-megapixel primary camera with an f2.0 aperture. The image quality in well-lit conditions is surprisingly good, with decent sharpness and accurate colors. However, in low-light situations, the camera struggles a bit and tends to produce some noise. On the front, there is a 5-megapixel selfie camera, which performs adequately for video calls and casual selfies. Battery life is always a critical aspect, and the Moto G Play doesn't disappoint. With its 5000 mAh battery, this phone easily lasts a full day on moderate usage. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or playing games, you won't have to worry about running out of juice quickly. And when you do need to recharge, the included 10W charger does the job reasonably fast. Let us talk about some additional features that enhance the overall experience. The Moto G Play comes with a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is quite responsive and unlocks the phone quickly. It also offers Face Unlock, which is a convenient alternative for those who prefer it. Furthermore, it has a dedicated microSD card slot for expanding the storage, alongside the built-in 32 GB of internal storage. So, to wrap things up, the Moto G Play is an excellent budget-friendly smartphone that offers a solid performance, a decent camera, and impressive battery life.